How to download Binance on Android. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download Binance on your Android device. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Binance is the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange. It is trusted by millions of users globally, and Binance is also your gateway for future of finance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, Binance offers powerful tools, seamless transactions, and access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies. So, if you want to download Binance to your device, follow these simple steps. The very first thing you need to do is download the Binance app from Google Play Store. Open up your Google Play Store and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you'll find the search icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on it and search for Binance. And once you have done that, go ahead and tap on the Binance application right here and tap on install. Now wait for the app to install completely. While this is happening, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Now once the installation process is complete, just open up the app. Now just tap on the open button here to open up the app. And if you already have a Binance account, you can log in with your credentials. Or if you're new to this, you can tap on register to open up a new account. And once you are logged in, that's it. You've successfully downloaded Binance on your Android device. Now you can start exploring and trading today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you guys in the next video.